A suspected commander of the banned outfit Daesh was gunned down during an operation in Balochistan, Mastung area. The province Counter-Terrorism Department (CTD) said on Wednesday. In a press release issued today, a copy of which is available with dawn.com. The CTD said it had received intelligence regarding a visit to Mastung of one of the leader, Ghulam Din Ilyas Shoaib of Daesh's Balochistan chapter to plan terrorist activity in the area and its surroundings. CTD statements use the Arabic acronym for the Islamic State's militant group. It added the CTD personnel initiated an operation and surrounded the suspect. He started firing and tried to flee the scene, but since planning has been done in advance, so he was challenged by force and was killed in crossfiring. It said he was allegedly involved in several high-profile terrorist attacks in the province, including the attack on Jamiat al-Ulama Islam Fazl leader Maulana Ghafoor Haidari, the 2016 suicide attack on liars in Quetta, the suicide attack on Jamiat al-Islami chief Siraj al-Haq, multiple suicide attacks on the CB Mela and Quetta police, as well as the slaughter of the Hazara coal miner in March. The statement added that he joined Daesh in 2015, receiving training in Waziristan from the proscribed Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan. The CTD said further investigation was underway in the matter. Last week, the police said 5 alleged TTP terrorists were killed during an operation by the CTD in the Alberg area of Quetta. On September 2, the CTD said it had killed 8 TTP and IS members in 2 intelligence-based operations conducted in Quetta and Washuk districts. A unit report discussed at a Security Council meeting in New York last month. He said the TTP and other groups affiliated with the Taliban and Al-Qaeda were providing NATO caliber weapons to IS. Thank you for watching.